Hi, Vic here. Edamame can be cooked in many different ways. Rather than served as a cold appetizer, today we're going to make edamame braised with ground pork. Now we have 12 ounces of frozen shelled edamame. The beans in the bag are caked. We can separate them by simply smashing the bag to the countertop. Just like this. You can feel it when they are separated. We got 3 ounces of ground pork that needs to be seasoned. Add a little bit of ginger, a pinch of salt, some black pepper. Feel free to use red pepper instead if you prefer that. Half teaspoon of cornstarch. This will keep the meat together. And then half teaspoon of soy sauce and a little bit cooking wine. I use the vodka instead. Mix well. Add a little water if it's too dry. Let's prepare the scallions. Cut them into pieces in the size of the beans. Mince the garlic. If you want, you can slice them. We have now finished the preparation. Isn't that easy? It's time for cooking now. I use a 1/4 cup of canola oil. Stir fry the ground pork on medium heat. It's okay to leave them in chunky pieces as long as they are not too large. The ground pork doesn't need to be well done. When it turns brown, we can add garlic. Let the heat push the flavor out. It will take only about 10 seconds. Time to add the beans. Just cut the bag open and pour the beans into the wok. No rinsing, no cutting. So easy, so convenient. I just love it. The beans are still frozen or half frozen, but don't worry about it. Let's just stir fry them a little bit. Mix them well with oil. You can see the color turns greener. Add 1 cup of water and bring it to boil. And then reduce the heat to medium-low and keep cooking. Remove the lid and turn the beans a couple of times just to make sure everything is cooked evenly. It will take only 4 to 5 minutes to get the beans fully cooked. Or you can extend the cooking time to get the tenderness you prefer. At the end of the cooking, flavor with salt and sugar. Add scallions. Mix it quickly, and we are done. Edamame is a great source of protein and fiber. It also has other health benefits. This dish is so quick and easy to make, and it's truly enjoyable to eat. I highly recommend it to everybody. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.